Heads is the call and tails it is. No.
5.
Batsman getting into position to face the first ball of the innings.
That is in the air and in the gap. That is 4. Time that to perfection.
He read the length perfectly.
That is That is 6. That is just Nick.
Oh, that's huge.
And he helps himself to a 6. That is in the air and in the gap as well.
Didn't time that well, but definitely would be pleased with the result. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day. In the end, the target was a little too much for the batsman. The keeper runs away to join the team in their celebrations and deserve the victory. The players shake each other's hand.
Let's congratulate our man of the match and catch him for a few words. Well, everything seemed to go alright for me, and I'm really happy with the way I performed out there.